Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today we are in a Nissan Kicks. We're actually removing the airbag module, but I realized the video actually coincides with how to take apart the center console, which I know some of you will need in the future. Now for the first step inside the car, I'm in the back seat. You want to move the seats forward so you have enough room to work in this area here. Use a flathead to get in between this little nook. Pry that piece out, and now I'm using a T20 bit to go ahead and remove the screw right here. And just repeat the same process on the driver's side. The center console area, we want to go ahead and move up this coffee holder here, and we're going to start from back here. You can use a flathead, or you can use one of these flat bars you can get on Amazon, or wrap it with a little tape just so it has a little softer contact. You want to get from the back and just ply up. Once you have it pushed up, you can go ahead and remove the rest of it. And you can see it's being held down by a few clips here. Next, you want to go ahead and start working the back side. It's the same kind of clip system you had on the cup holders. You want to get from the bottom and just push right up. And at this point, right below, you want to go ahead and find this little white lever piece here. You want to go ahead and push on it with your flat bar and simultaneously move the gear shift into neutral. Once we're here, you want to go ahead and move the sleeve down. And at the front here, you'll see a little metallic piece. It's a little spring. You want to go ahead and grab it with your pry bar or flathead and pull out. And then this top piece comes right out. And then you want to go ahead and grab this piece here and pull it out. Next, you're going to need your T20 bit again. There's 4 screws. There's 2 in the back here and 2 in the front. As soon as we have those screws out, this panel here will come right out. It's held down by some clips at this point. And the same thing on the driver's side. Now over here, just below the radio console, you'll see a T20 right here. And then the same thing, but on the driver's side. And now you can see I've moved the top of that center console to the side. You can definitely remove the plugs. It'll be a little bit easier to work with, but as you can see, it's not absolutely necessary. You can just move it to the side. And here we see 3 more T20 screws over here. And with this step, you can remove this little bracket here. Next, we're right here on the passenger footwell. This panel just comes right out. You can actually leave it just like that. And then the same goes for the driver's side as well. And at this point, the whole center console piece is actually free to be removed. You can go ahead and put this to the side. With the other hand, you can go ahead, grab the back, and just simply pull it out. Push down on this piece here, this little clip, and then pull out. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment. We would love to read your comments, or just go to myairbags.com. You can call us, text us, just reach out anytime.